Ready to leave. Thank you so much, Dubai. And thank you, Dusitani. Ready to leave. Checking everything kung may mga naiwan. This one, we need to throw it na. Yan. So far, wala namang naiwan. Bye, guys! Bye-bye!
Saan na ganito lang tulog ko kahit na natin?
Dubai
Maganda kasi
Terminal
departure.
1.
Yung rental nila, sarap lang din ang departure.
Oo, yun nga yung maganda. Yung car rental nila, sa tapat lang siya ng departure area, which is there. Ayun, sa mga parking lot. So, sobrang convenient. Hindi mo na kailangang magpunta kung saan-saan. So, pag drop namin ito, pagka bigay namin ng car rental, tatawid lang kami, nasa departure na kami. Yay! Ayun na yung car rental office. Diba? Ayan lang yung car rental office nila.
Parking ticket on your phone to pay. No cashier and access. Please scan parking ticket on your phone to pay. No.
They're checking the car. Dejjal is so ready, but he's so sleepy. And that's the terminal. Na ma-check-in agad si Jay kasi yung gamit niya is standby ticket. Kami ni Gajel confirm booking. So sana ma-check-in siya agad para makapag-lounge kami, kaya maaga rin kami pumunta. Thank you Saudia sa aming free ticket. Naka-check-in na rin si Jay. So yung pinili kong seat, nag-online check-in na kami ni Gadiel para magkakatabi kami. Ang pinili kong seat, 55J at saka L. Kasi technique yun. Parang walang kukuha nung katabi kasi nasa gitna. So sakto si Jay, 55K. Yung nakikita ko yan sa mga reels. Kung gusto mo raw na wala kang katabi, ang i-book nyo pag dalawa kayo, isang aisle, isang window. Kasi pag nag-preseat sila, at least hindi nila kukuhanin yung gitna, di ba? So we're gonna go inside the gate. All departure gates. Dubai, duty free. So may bibilhin lang muna ako. Since meron kaming discount dito, crew discount na 10%. That's why I love Dubai duty free. Where are you going na?
Khalifa.
We're gonna go to the lounge after this one. Wala pa kasi yung gate namin, hindi pa siya lumalabas sa screen. Look!
What's that?
There's Hot Wheels.
I want it.
Just get that one, Nak. Put it back. I think you will like it better.
Can I pick two?
How much is that? Maybe it's gonna be the same.
Ask Mama what to put.
So, andito sa second floor yung mga
Hello.
airport lounges nila. Ayun yung Marhaba lounge. Pwede rin kami actually dun, pero we'll try dun sa Alan.
Yay!
Try
Hot Wheels. Let's play.
And Gajel has
Hot
his
Wheels.
Hot Wheels. He's gonna open it later. Once he's seated, let's go na.
Hello, guys.
So far, ito yung aming travel light na trip as a family. Kasi sobrang konti lang ng dala namin tsaka yung mga hand carry namin. Talagang tig-iisa lang kami. Kasi usually pag nag-trip kami, ang dami talaga namin dala.
Is that on my shoe?
Ah, sorry na. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. Let's open your surprise egg later.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside. I hope it's gonna be a nice
I
car.
think it'll be a book shaker.
A bone shaker? Okay, let's see. Oh, this one. Yeah, so meron tayong Allen Lounge here. Allen Lounge. Ayan. Let's try this. So, full daw yung first class. Pupunta kami ng business class lounge. Ito yung kanilang lounge. May mga drinks. What else? Cold cuts. Bread, salads, and may food. And pastries. Mga dessert. Meron silang mga wines. I wish pwede akong uminom. Yum yum ang lunch namin. Para tulog na lang sa aircraft.
Excuse me.
Let's go na. Oh. Bye to Dubai, G.
I love you, Dubai.
Departure area. Bye guys. By the way, yung aircraft namin is Airbus lang siya. Airbus 321. So, mabilis nag-start yung boarding nila in fairness. I think gusto nilang umalis ng maaga. And that's better. At least we can go home early.
So big. You should adjust.
Adjust it.
Ah,
You can be more skip.
Yeah.
okay.
Ow. I cannot move now.